this is it guys, let's play Starbots. Guys, super exciting and I know you will love this amazing review, so watch the full video guys. So you can change your username, alright? Okay, whatever you prefer, you can change password, the battles, also you can upgrade, you can also adjust the settings here, no? And the more you get V-Gear token, the better, no? And merong garage nga dito mga boss. Ayan, pwede ka mamili. Ayan, so may gemstone, may colossus. Okay, so may beetle tayo and may turbo. Siyempre gamitin natin battleship mga boss, no? Para matindi. Sa inyo ba? O kaya colossus. Mukhang taas ng health nito. Sige. Ayan, no? Pwede mong i-check kung ano malakas HP sa tire, no? Ayan, makikita mo lahat dyan. And also may type, so kita mo yung hit nya 212, 292, 159, 276. So siyempre piliin mo yung pinakamalakas. So meron dito Inferno, grabe mga boss. So mukhang kakaiba to. So pwede kang mamili, no? Pwede rin God Gauntlet. May blaster din mga boss, no? Napakalupit nito. So siyempre pag mythical or legendary, it's much stronger if it's no. But of course you have to be worried about the energy, no, na ina-add mo. Okay, and then you can also add the repair kit, no, lifter mortar, plasma booster, harpoon gun. Ayan, so it's up to you. Para sobrang lakas, sobrang lupit, o kaya pwede rin repair kit, no? So decision mo yan. Okay, whatever you prefer. And then you can add a nice wheel, so it can be a climber. Okay mga boss, epic yan. So is it guys, ang lupit naman ng ano natin. Are you ready to fight mga boss? So you can also charge it, no, using the charging station. You just place the body here. Okay, for example yan, fully charged na. So makikita nyo naman 40 out of 40. So ngayon wala pa tayong charge, mamaya meron. Okay, pwede na tayong may paglabanan. Okay, are you ready to fight? Guys, I'm ready. So, tignan natin mga boss, magkakaalaman na. Pwede tayong mag-top dito, and the more you battle, the higher the chances you earn. And as you can see, the graphics is good mga boss, no? So, hintay lang tayo makalapit dito, matatalo to. Oh, malakas ang kalaban natin mga boss. So, pagka ganyan ng kalaban, okay, pag natatalo ka, it means kailangan magpalit ng weapon. So sometimes you have to, ayan, minus ka ng DP. Sige, palit tayo. Mahina pala yung weapon natin. Sige, palitan natin. Maganda yung auto attack na. Joby, sige. Tignan natin mga boss kung matatalo pa tayo pag ito yung weapon natin, no? Energy guys. So sige, subukan natin to. Yung isa taga-repair, yung isa legendary weapon, no? Subukan natin. So let's go, let's battle. So may chance na talaga. Okay, so guys, nakalaman na. Okay, we're winning guys. We're winning guys. Of course we are winning guys. So easy win guys, as you can see. And the more you play, the more you earn guys. You can see TP9. Wow guys, super high earnings when you win, and when you lose it's okay. So you just keep on winning guys. Maganda yung melee talaga strategy dito. Ako mas gusto ko yung lumalapit na attack kaysa doon sa malayo pa lang tumitira na. Kasi yung malapit na attack, mas malakas yung damage. Although minsan kasi kapag kulang yung health mo, malayo pa lang natatalo ka na, hindi ka na makakalapit, diba? So discartein mo rin, okay? So para talaga meta gear to guys. As you can see, very amazing guys, very cool, no? So tingnan mo to, lakas ng kalaban natin. So, hindi lahat panalo guys, no? So tempuan nyo rin, okay? So as you can see here guys, no, mayroong mga tires din dyan. So yung iba't iba, you can check, may mga baril dito. And kapag snip nyo yung website nila, no? So, silipin natin Starbots guys para makita ninyo pati yung top 1 nandyan pa, no? So, battle game nga to, robot, and so you can see iba't iba yung collections, no, yung items na nakita natin, no. Kumusta mga boss? Eto na, Fractal NFTs you can buy already, and I will introduce this to you. And guys, this is one of the best upcoming P2E games. Guys, I'm here in Dubai, Danjo Capital Master nga pala, #1 NFT coach in the world, and let's review this. Let's go! Trailer ng
In the
Starbots
universe, the Beagle Wrist, the Corgist, the Huskattery, the Goldenars, and the Bullions, with an advanced level of intelligence that goes beyond any other creatures. Dogs on the Plutonet yearn for great power.
Yun.
Wars happen everywhere.
Lupit.
Metals crashing. Grenades exploding. Battles ongoing. All of this for the ultimate title of the one to conquer them all.
Parang may pagka-twisted metal din yung dati niya. Mahilig sa mga robots. Right? Guys, super exciting. So kung titignan nyo, pwede nyo adjust yung name nyo dyan. So Danjo Capital Master, change nyo yung name nyo. So coming soon yung maiba, no? Pero may settings din dito. Pwede nyo adjust yung music. Gusto ninyo. Okay. Ayan. So may mga gears dito, of course. Pwede nyo makuha. Pwede nyo hide. Okay, ang daming pwede. So may garage din dito guys. Of course may beetle. Okay. So yung stone body, ipi-place mo lang yung body. Okay. Pwede mo adjust yung gear. Parang bubuo ka lang ng gear talaga. Yan. Pwede ka mamili. Siyempre. Okay. Tapos charge nyo. May sink din. May test room. So lahat tayong charger mga boss. So kailangan nyo rin ng charger, no? Para ma-charge. May test room din guys para ma-check nyo, which is very amazing. So you can see. Explain na natin to. So pwede kayo mag-join sa Discord nila. And guys, this has big community already. Let's make them bigger mga boss, no? Sa lahat na interested sa Starbots. So okay, ayan na. So you can also follow them on Twitter as well. So Starbots game. Okay, first ever playable robot battle NFT game on Solana. So basically Solana is safe, no, and low gas fees as well. So it's nice mga boss, no. Titingnan nyo, may test room din. Ayan, let's fight, which is nice. Also you can check the profile. Okay, meron din mga winners rewards kung gusto niyo. Ayan, so may PvP, Star Pass, Championship, PvE, 3v3 League, at pwede ka ma-upgrade ng body parts, no? And also may reduced time charging and buy protected shield din mga boss. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo yung server nila, ayan guys. So you can see the announcements, the prediction, and also there are a lot of events here guys. You can check the events mga boss, no, if you're interested. And the admins are here as well. So you can see Ducky Nobel Tammy. Okay, you can check the tutorials as well here. Okay mga boss. So make sure you stay updated guys if you want to learn more. And also there's the live chat here. You can talk to them guys, in-game update. Ayan. Okay, very big deal yan. So ito yung medium nila. You can also set your own stylish background. And also, siyempre guys, meron upcoming NFT. Ito yung sinasabi ko. So 0.05 sol ang floor price, no? So open beta is coming, and don't forget to buy the NFT guys, no? So yung link nasa description na. Ayan. So this has big potential guys, no? So sa lahat ng mga nag-Dior na gusto na mga big potential NFT projects na may idea na kayo sa NFT flipping, kung wala pa kayo idea, mag-enroll muna kayo sa program ko, danjocapitalmaster.com, kung saan matututo kayo sa NFT flipping. So 200 plus students na tayo, halos milyonaryo na lahat ng nasa group natin. So it paid off yung in-invest nila na $200, no? Magkano lang yun, isang NFT, nakita lang yun, no? But anyway, ito yung Starbots, no? So hindi ko sinasabi sa YouTube videos ko yung sikreto ko sa NFT. Yung tinuro ko basics lang eh. Pero yung talaga sikreto ko guys, yung talagang sobrang pang pro level na para kumita ka ng milyon sa NFT nasa website ko. So kung gusto mag-enroll, punta ka na sa danjocapitalmaster.com o kaya mag-chat ka lang sa FB page, no? FB page natin nasa description na, or just search in FB Danjo Capital Master. Okay? Ngayon itong fractal na to merong magic din Eden na na mga parts, so you can buy as well. So you can be creative, guys, no? And another thing to consider, F2P, use wood and art to play. Don't need to own NFT, can do quests to earn star points and receive rewards, no? Another thing to consider yon. And also mga boss, merong star pass, daily mission, weekly mission, earn points to reach the milestones, will claim gifts, no? Including V-Gear wood parts, loot box, must buy tickets to unlock rewards that can be received in the box, including NFT parts. So meron din sandbox dito. Gym does not consume energy to test new strategies. With championship, PvP, race ranks, dividend, okay, which is divided into 3 types of small ranks. And also another thing to consider, may charging station din dito. And pwede ka mag-sign up, no? Another thing to consider mga boss, may profile dito. Pwede ka magsama ng matches, win rate, win streak, makikita mo lahat, highest rank, lahat ng mga body weapon parts na nandito. And guys, kung titingnan nyo, ayan yung mga collections sila, pwede na kayong bumili. Yung Fractal, sobrang dami nilang mga projects, no? So nireview na natin yung Fractal, dami na natin review na Fractal kasi kompleto yung mga projects nila, pero ito isa Starbots, no? So as you can see, volume, ayan, yan yung sales nila, makikita nyo lahat yan. And guys, you will also see everything here, so make sure you buy now if you're interested. Okay, this has big potential mga boss. You can also filter now, so on OpenSea, and I really do believe in this project. So ito nga pala yung pitch deck nila. Okay, so Starbots is the first ever playable robot battle built on Solana nga, guys, no? Pwede ka mag-earn ng gear tokens, no? Para meta gear din, pero mas unique to kasi ikaw mismong buhibli ng parts. Okay, tapos bukod doon mga boss, marami din mga championship events na pwede kang salihan, no? Kaya ikaw mag-create, no? So yan, may Alpha Dog din dito, Ultimate Alpha Dog to be the best of the best. Tapos meron din Y Solana, yan, fastest growing ecosystem nga, NFT volumes, NFT friendly platform din. So yan yung unique features, no? Unlimited robots, unpredictable results, long-term plan as well, no? So easy to play nga siya, 20,000 variety for each body part, no? At endless progress din, endless battle, fun interaction. Grabe guys, nandito na lahat. So yan yung PvP niya, yan yung datingan, no? So magsa-start ka League 1, lalabang ka sa pataas ng pataas yung ranko mo, no? So yan yung features, no? So may PvE din, may story mode, pwede ka lumaban sa mga boss, mag-complete ka ng mission, mag-earn ka ng extra rewards, at meron din Starbots Universe Future Integration, no? So integrate yung NFT. So meron ngang 5 body parts, no? So may body, weapon, gadget, 2 wheels. Ayan. So each body part has a tire level. The higher the tire, the rarer and more powerful the part. Meron din a magic level, enhances power or other body parts power, guys. So, okay, so may Star Pass, daily reward, rank system. Ayan na. Very detailed, guys. So gameplay yan. Go to inventory, choose body, robot, wheels, weapon. So mag-assemble ka ng robot mo. Endless space for creativity. Kung bahala ako ng robot mo. Forma nito mga boss, parang Twisted Metal and may pagka-meta gear din, no? So kung titignan niyo, our outwork, very nice. Yan yung mga D-apps, no? So to centralize apps and manage inventory, yan, NFT, redirect marketplace. So ito nga yung token model, no? So gear in-game token, completing missions, winning PvE, winning quick battles, bot, governance token, winning league battles, winning event rewards. So yung pang-upgrade levels sa body parts gear yan, loot boxes, pang-open yan din. So yung bot, pwede mong stake, pwede ka na mag-vote, no? Parang governance. So ito siya, TG unlock 9.55%. So privacy 5%, naka-vesting naman yan, vesting. Tapos yung liquidity staking 10%. Of course, merong holding period yan, no? So ito yung IDO recap, ayan. So check nyo guys, total raise $800,000, 8 million bots token. So ayan, no recap, ayan na guys, no? So docs devs din, as you can see, the devs are here. Kian Vuong, CEO, yan na. Nam Hoang, Hong Nguyen, okay. So advisors are also here, Nguyen and Tamar, Long Vuong, okay. And also the partners and investors, no. So yung list of guilds nandito na rin, and of course yung roadmap. So abangan natin beta test na upcoming na yan. So make sure you buy your NFT right now if you're interested. The link will be on the description below. Yan, official launch 6/2022, PVE 3/2022 guys, it's very near. Of course, this is the vision, no? Goal ng Starbots not only to become the first ever playable NFT game on Solana, but also one of the crypto games with the most attractive gameplay and storyline, no? So pang future talaga siya mga boss, para ma-promote yung community, talagang tumagal, ma-sustain yung community, maging malakas pa. Kailangan talagang ina-address lahat ng issue na for the long term. So that's it guys. If you're interested, I will link them all on the description below. Okay, everything I've said, very detailed naman, no? Intindihan nyo naman mga boss. So may mga subtypes din dito, may mga tires, so you just filter it out whatever you want. And guys, stay tuned. Starbots, fractal.is/starbots. Okay, Starbots, P2E game, very exciting. Follow them on social medias, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube. I will link them all in the description below. This is Andrew the Hubston Master, number 1 NFT coach in the world. Have a nice day mga boss.